Sir Ricky, regarding po sa status ng players, since di ba po may rift nung first sa status, and kamusta na po?
Okay, what the team owners have agreed on was that when the teams are eliminated, if they have players that are in the national pool, they will be released to the national team. But until they get eliminated, they'll keep on playing for the team. You know? So, what we're looking at is a lot of these players will be playing until the championship. So after November 29 or 30 is when they will be actually, everybody will be released.
Then, sir, yung teams during PVL, are they allowed naman po to train with?
They are, depending on the players or the teams, if but there's no restriction. Normally, I think the schedule for those that are playing in the league, their training for the national pool is Sunday and Monday. Depende na sa mga players yan kung gusto nila sumipot doon, di ba?
So in terms of training camp po ba, given nga yung time constraints?
Wala nang training camp yung men's meron, pero yung women's hindi na,
wala na po
too
talaga.
late na, di ba?
Yung roster po in terms of
We have
combination
not,
po ng PVL,
we have not received the roster yet now, which players are in the pool. I asked them to submit that to us. So we're waiting for that.
So wala pa pong parang final pool, working pool?
Wala pa. None yet.
Sir, may tentative flying date na po yung Alas Women's.
May tentative
Date to fly pa Thailand.
I think first week ata. First week. Kasi their games start on the second week, di ba? Although I think they want to go earlier para pwede sila mag-tune up games or what, di ba? With teams over there.